Hey everyone, Technomancer here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone black screen of death problem. So let's get started. So if your phone is completely like this, you're going to follow this step. First thing is you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button and then this big side button. So you want to follow the sequence, which is quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down, one after another, and then hold on to this side button until the screen shows the Apple logo. So again, you have to do it very quickly here. Do volume up, volume down, press and release, and then hold on to this side button just like that. And you're going to keep on holding, and once you see the Apple logo, you're in business. The phone should go ahead and turn on. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, just keep on trying it. This does work. Just quickly make sure to press and release the volume up, volume down before holding on to this side button until you can get the Apple logo to appear. Now, let's say you did this maybe a couple times. I recommend it as many times as you can. The other thing you want to consider to make sure that your phone is actually charged. So in that case, you're going to want to go ahead and charge it at least half hour with your charger. Keep in mind, sometimes these chargers, let's say your phone died and completely dead, this charger, sometimes they don't work. So you want to try a different charger. If you have another charger, make sure that the block or the cable isn't defective. So try a different charger or a different combination of this. Now, sometimes the charge port can also be dirty. There's stuff in it where it doesn't make the connection. So you might have to clean that out as well. And another method you can do in charging is using a wireless charger. If you have a wireless charger on most iPhones, you should be able to do wireless charging just to make sure that it hasn't an issue with the charge port itself. And then after you charge for half an hour or so, do the same exact thing. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to that side button until you can see the Apple logo. This method is known as basically a forced restart, which will restart your phone. It will not delete any of your data. And I hope this video is helpful in fixing that issue for you. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys the next time.